Vladimir from Ljubljana, and he'll talk about the teachers' trade unions, and there is not an association for teachers only, but it's for teachers.
What you will see.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Dobar dan to all participants. My English is also not the best. My first language is German, but I prepared some short presentation in English on education and scientific trade union of Slovenia, and the contribution is more devoted to the modern development in the last 22 years in independent Slovenia. That's also current state of play. But in this area, there were teachers' association already in the 19th century, in the time of Austro-Hungarian monarchy, 1860 or later. Then in the time of the first kingdom of Yugoslavia, in the Federative Republic of Yugoslavia, and now in independent Slovenia. But about the history was a lot written by my friend and former colleague, Dr. Schuster. He has written this very exactly, and you can see to the history. Only to my person, I was the first secretary of the Education and Scientific Trade Union of Slovenia for 7 years. And now I'm, for 7 years, Secretary General of Confederation of Trade Unions in Public Sector in Slovenia. So that you know who is speaking. I'm a part of the history of education and trade union. I believe this year for the pension. So. Education and Scientific Trade Union Slovenia was established in 1999 as the first independent single trade union in public sector in Slovenia. Formerly it was part of the unified Federation of Trade Unions of Slovenia. They played more transmission role in socialist system. But this was the first treat to the independent unions. And I was the first secretary and the actor in this establishment. ESOS represents 40,000 public services in education, higher education, research, and culture services. Later on, it was widened to also to the employees in cultural institutions in Slovenia, like museums. School museum is probably also member. The employees are member in this union. Since 2006 is Education Science Culture Trade Union also member in the Confederation. Confederation was established to make it more common policy in bargaining, in collective bargaining with the government, because they play, they have the same salaries and collective agreements. And now to, as I say some words to the Confederation of Public Trade, Public Services Trade Union in Slovenia. It was formed in 2006 as a non-political public service organization. It's organized by sectors, has 7 national union affiliates. Next to educational trade union, it's the trade union of nursing workers, at national level with about 7,000 members, then police trade union, about 6,000 members, then the independent trade union workers at the University of Ljubljana, about 1,500 members, and later on they came to the confederation, also the union of workers in judicature, in the courts, there are servants in the courts, and so-called union of civil servants, which means member from some ministries at this level, and also member of institutes like Institute for Pedagogy or Institute for School Development here in through the confederation are there single trade unions member, because the confederation only can be member of so-called Economic and Social Committee in Slovenia. It's the national level body who has responsibility to say his meaning in all laws or in all decisions to the government in social field. Therefore, we are now also in so-called Economic and Social Council as one of 7 members. There are 7 confederations of trade unions in Slovenia, and the confederation is made possible also to be representative in steering board, let's say, of public pension system, or in steering, it's a special fund for of public servants. We are also represented in board of compulsory health assurance, etc. I'm at that moment the president of the board for the public assurance in healthcare in Slovenia. It's the background you see for this function. A little bit to the history of Estus. I'm reading more about now the links you see to the international community. Estus became member of World Confederation Organization of the Teaching Profession in 1991, after 1 year after the founding. On these both, the World Confederation and the other World Confederation, it was the International Federation of the Teaching Profession. They merged in 1993 in one unique confederation called Education International. It's the world's biggest organization of trade unions and teachers associations, with about 30,000 members now. We were also present at this conference in Stockholm in 1993. I was delegate to the Congress. There they both were merged, and so we are member of the beginning of the Education International. It means auch, that the representatives of Estus were involved in the work of Education International. I was from the beginning member in sectoral committee for vocational education. It's this work level. My background is vocational education and training. I'm coming from the professional school and training centers. And my colleague Branimir Stuckel is being for 10 years member in Education International Executive Board with 23 members. Is now Vice President in A2C. It's the European Trade Union Committee of Education. It's for Europe. It's this sectional organization in Europe of Education International. On Sandri Modrian, colleague is sitting here, is also a member in Education International Sectoral Committee for Social Dialogue. Yeah, many other bodies where we played a role. They're active. Yeah, ESUS developed various international activities. We have had very good links with teacher organizations in neighboring countries like Austria, ÖGB, Gewerkschaft öffentlicher Dienst, in Carinthia especially, CGL Scuola in Friuli Venezia Giulia, or Veneto. We issued at the beginning already a booklet on wage and salary systems in Austria, Italy, Slovenia. There was strong involvement in the establishment of independent trade unions in the new states of Western Balkans. The Croatian trade unions came to us and we visited them, but the story was not like in Slovenia to keep a unique organization. They were from the beginning split in 5 and later on in more organizations. On Macedonia, Kosovo, my colleague Stuckel was also very active in bringing Kosovar pupils back to the schools as the Education International representatives. It was this boycott of parents of Kosovars not to send the pupils into Serbian schools. It was one of the events or one of the activities I should mention. It was very intensive exchange with organizations you see here. We have had contacts practically to all countries. I should mention 3 international events which was very important in these 20 years. In Bled, we had 1996 conference Live and Work Together with very high representatives. Daniel Mitterrand, Dr. Mary Hartwig Futrell, who was the Education International President, and Milan Kučan, President of the Republic of Slovenia. Then it was a very important seminar on improving expertise of teachers' work-related stress and abuse. And Swiss ESTUS was also invited to the World Summit of 20 PISA countries who has reached the best results. Germany has not reached these 20 countries. Okay, I will finish now because we have no more time. What was the impact? We have to read our history still, but the impact was exchange of information. We have known the educational norms and standards in European countries and worldwide. We have had insight in teaching methods. Our colleagues were invited to be present in classrooms and such things. Also, it can be said that we have played a role by transfer of good practice. It influenced this very live links to all kinds of organizations have influence had influence on our bargaining in Slovenia with the government. Our position was always that we have fight for public education. We were not against all kinds of private schools, but in the first way it should be public. We have had collecting experiences in organizing massive demonstrations, strikes, and such things. It's general common understanding to see, bring the people closer together. It's finished. Thank you.